Zeely AI is marketed as an all-in-one marketing automation tool, giving small businesses and solopreneurs the ability to create ads, websites, and even UGC-style videos in minutes. Its biggest strength is accessibility. You don't need coding or design skills, and the AI Creative Builder Plus Video Maker make campaign launches fast and simple. Reviews from small business owners are generally positive, of course, praising its convenience and affordability, but there are trade offs. Customization is limited, templates can feel generic, and advanced analytics are weaker than what professional marketers expect. In short, Zeely AI is worth it if you want quick, beginner friendly marketing assets, but not if you need deep customization or enterprise level scalability. So, if you're an entrepreneur looking for a direction, you can just try this because it's very easy to use.